Welcome to another video on Mystical Platter with me Rehnaz. Today I'm here with a very simple cake recipe. It's a very easy recipe which can even be made by kids and they will surely enjoy making as well as eating it. So let's get started. In a bowl, add 2 eggs. And beat it well using a manual beater or an electric hand mixer. When it's frothy, add half cup of oil and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Then you need to mix all these together until it is well combined and frothy. Now to this, add 2 cups of sifted all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. I have already sifted the flour here. Mix it well till it is well combined. Use the cut and fold method and do not over mix, else the cake will become very hard. Once you have mixed it, add half cup of milk little by little and mix it to get a smooth consistency. Now let's divide the batter into 2. In one bowl, add half teaspoon of vanilla essence and in the other, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and mix well. Now comes the magical part. Grease the baking tray with butter or you can even use a baking paper. Add in the vanilla batter and the cocoa batter alternatively. Tap the pan thrice to remove any air bubbles present. Now take a skewer and draw a pattern. You can draw any kind of pattern which you like. In my previous video of mug cake, I have shown you how to set a pot as an oven. Place the tray into the pot and steam it for 55 minutes on a medium flame. Here it is done. Wow, it looks beautiful. Our marble cake is ready. The cocoa and the vanilla layer gives it a yummy flavor. So let your kids try this recipe and do leave your valuable feedback in the comment box below. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notification from Mystical Platter. Thanks for watching.